Hi friends, today we are discussing SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024-25 Part 2 6th Standard Question and Answers. SOF IMO Class 6 SOF International Mathematics Olympiad. The question paper set C. Part 2. Already part 1 video we released. Now part 2 we will discuss the question answers and based on that numbers and answers. The Science Olympiad Foundations Class number 6 Question and Answers Part 2 SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024-25. This is question number 26. Already in part 1 we released first 25 questions. This is part 2. We will discuss one by one. Question number 26. Which of the following figures has exactly one line of symmetry? Here option A, B, C, D is there. Here the answer is A. I mention here the red color line. Red color line mentioned here. This line, based on that we cut off and we are getting symmetry of the structures. The note hints the diagonal cuttings has the same symmetry. Answer is A. The question number 27. If x 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 1 by 3 equal to 4 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2, then find the value of x. Here options A, B, C, D is there. See, based on these calculations, first we can solve the equations by step. The equation is x 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 1 equal to 4 upon 3 minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. This is the equation problematic sum. First of all, the step by step simplify the right hand side. The 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2, the common denominator is 6. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2 equal to 8 by 6 minus 9 by 6, we are getting minus 1 upon 6. The simplify 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, we are getting the same common denominator is 6. We are getting the value 1 by 6. The additions of 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, we are getting here 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. 4 by 6 equal to this half of value 2 by 3. They combine the right hand side equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. The equation is now becomes x 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 1 equal to 1 by 2. The solve for x. Rewrite as 5 upon 6 x minus 3 upon 1 equal to 1 by 2. Add 3 on both sides. We are getting the value 5 upon 6 1 by 2 plus 3. The rewrite of 3 as 6 by 2. We are getting 7 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 equal to 1 by 2 plus 6 by 2 equal to 7 by 3. The solve of x 5 by 6 x equal to 7 upon 2. The finally x value equal to 7 by 2 into 6 by 5. We are getting 42 by 10. Finally we are getting 4.2. The rounding of here value is 4. The final answer is D4. Question number 28. Which of the following is the correct representations of the number of the story books sold in a month of the May if 1 equal to 150 books? This is the questions. Option A, B, C, D mentioned here. Here the month and the number of the books sold. May month there is no value, and June month 600, July 440, August 300, and totally 2100. To find the correct representations of the numbers of story books sold in May month, we need to calculate the numbers of books sold in May based on the total numbers of books sold across all months. First step, they calculate the total books sold in May. The total number of books sold in 2100. The books sold in June, July and August are: June is 600 books and July 450 books and August 300 books. Finally, the books sold in May month is total books equal to total books minus June plus July plus August. Actually, the total books is 2100 minus 600 plus 450 plus 300. We are getting 2100 minus 1350. The book sold in May month is 750. The step 2. They represent in terms of here box. Yellow color I indicated box. Each box represent 150 books. The numbers of yellow one box of May month equal to 750 divided by 150 equal to 5. The final answer is D. Question number 29. Find the value of P plus Q minus S into R. Here option A, B, C, D is there. So the first divided is 54278 and the divisor is 106 and the remainder is 6. The question is P 1S, where P and S are digit to be determined. We need to find the value of P plus Q minus S into R. Step 1. Find the quotient, the relationship between the divisor and the quotient and the remainder. Divided equal to divisor quotient minus remainder. Substitute the known values. Then 54278 equal to 106 into P1S plus 6. Then 54272 equal to 106 into P1S. P1S equal to 54272 upon 106 equal to, we are getting 512. Thus P value equal to 5 and 1 is the middle digit and S equal to 2. The step 2, the interpret Q and R. From the problem of the structures, Q equal to 1 and the remainder R T equal to 2. The middle digit of the quotient P1S, from the subtractions now minus 2 R2. Step 3, calculate P plus Q minus S into R. Substitute P equal to 5 and Q equal to 1 and S equal to 2 and finally R equal to 2. R equal to 2, from the subtractions now we are getting row 2 R2. P plus Q minus S R equal to 5 plus 1 minus 2 into 2 equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8. Finally, the option A 8 is the right answer. And the question number 30. Which of the following is divisible by all 2, 4, 5 and 8? Here is the questions and option A, B, C, D is there. And to check divisibility, the divisible by 2, the numbers must be even, and divisible by 4 equal to, that is the last 2 digit must be divisible by 4. Divisible by 5, the last digit must be 0 or 5. Divisible by 8, the last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. The option analysis, the 170460 even ends is 60 and divisible by 4, divisible by 5 and last 3 digit 460 are divisible by 8. And 306420 even ends in 20, not divisible by 4 and not divisible by 8. And 819200 even ends is 00 divisible by 4 and 8 and divisible by 5. That color indicated, blue color I mentioned here, that middle one is C. 296530 finally ends with 30 and not divisible by 4 or 8. So final answer is C, 819200. Question number 31. Which of the following option is correct? A equal to 10 million equal to 10 crore. and 100,000 equal to 1 million. C 10 crore equal to 100 million. D thousands equal to 10 million. Here I mentions in optional analysis of first A 10 million equal to 10 crore, that is incorrect. It means 10 million equal to 1 crore and 100,000 equal to 1 million, that also incorrect. 100,000 equal to 0.1 million, and C 10 crore equal to 100 million, that is correct. I mention here color in blue color, that is the answers, and 10 crore is equal to 100 million. And D thousands equal to 10 million is, that is also incorrect, and 1,000 equal to 1 million. This final answer is C 10 crore equal to 100 million. Question number 32. On subtracting the largest 4-digit even positive integer from the largest 5-digit odd negative integer, we get option A, B, C, D here mentioned. On subtracting the largest 4-digit even positive integer from the largest 5-digit odd negative integer, we are getting the largest 4-digit even positive integer is 9998. Largest 5-digit and odd negative integer is minus 10000. We are getting. Performing the subtractions of minus 10,000 minus 9998, we are getting minus 19998. Finally we are getting the answer C option minus 1998. That is the final answer. Question number 33. The given figure shows the length of 3 sticks. Find the total length of all the sticks, or QP. Here scale is mentioned here, and options A, B, C, D also here mentioned. The given figure shows the length of 3 sticks, and find the total length of the all sticks from R from 4 to 9 centimeter mentioned in the scale, and Q from 4.5 to 8.0 centimeter, and P equal to from 2 to 7.5 centimeter. The options A, B, C, D is there. So based on that, to find the total length of all the sticks, calculate the length of each the stick R from 4.0 centimeter to 9.0 centimeter. Length equal to 9.0 minus 4, we are getting 5 centimeter. Q also the same way, 8 minus 4.5, we are getting 3.5. And the stick from 2 centimeter to 7.5 for P. And finally we are total length, we are calculating 3.5 and 5.5, we are getting 14.0 centimeter. Answer D is none of this, since 14.0 centimeter is not listed in the option. So final answer is D, none of these. Question number 34. Compare and fill the box the fractions of 120 minutes to 5 hours and fractions of 144 seconds to 60 minutes. The options A, B, C, D mentioned here. Based on that calculations of, we are getting step 1, simplifying the fractions. The first one, the fractions of 120 minutes to 5 hours. Convert 5 hours to minutes, 5 into 60. It means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We are getting 300 minutes. The fractions of 120 upon 300, we are getting 2 by 5. The fractions of 144 seconds to 60 minutes. The convert 60 minutes to seconds. 60 into 60, we are getting 3600 seconds. Fractions of 144 upon 3600, we are getting 1 by 25. Step 2. Compare the fractions. Convert the both fractions of common denominator. 2 upon 5 equal to 50 upon 125 and 1 by 25 equal to 5 upon 125. Clearly we are getting 50 upon 125 greater than 5 upon 125. So answer is A, greater. That is the final answer. Question number 35. The given figure is made up of identical rectangles. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. Here options A, B, C, D is there, and here 3 centimeters mentioned, and here 2 centimeter also here is there. The solutions of let us carefully calculate the perimeter of the shaded part of in the figure. Consider only the boundary lines visible in the shaded regions. Step 1. Identify these shaded regions dimensions and boundaries each small rectangular is. The shaded region spans 4 rectangular vertically total height and 5 rectangular horizontally total width. Step 2. They calculate the perimeter of an irregular figures in some of all exposed boundaries of the shaded part. The horizontal segment first one top edge 15 cm, bottom edge 15 centimeters. The point 3, the middle horizontal boundaries were two integral gap 3 cm each, and it means 2 into 3 equal to 6 cm. Vertical segment also left edge 8 cm right, and middle we are getting 8 cm. Middle vertical boundaries therefore internal 2 cm each, total 4 into 2 8 cm. The total perimeter add all visible segments, so 15 plus 15 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 we are getting 60 cm. The final answer is option C is 6 cm. Question number 36. Riddhi joined 3 rectangular pieces of cloth to make a big rectangular tablecloth as shown in the figure in diagram in question number 36 in figure. The area of each rectangle is given inside. Find the cost of lacing on the tablecloth formed to rate of rupees 32 per meter. Ignore the stitching margins. This is the questions, and the options A, B, C, D here is there. The dimensions of the tablecloth in figure length is 7 meter is given, and the width of the total length of all the 3 rectangles width is 42 by 7 plus 63 by 7 plus 75 by 7. We are calculating 6 plus 9 plus 10.75, 25.71 we are getting rounding of over 25 meter. The perimeter is 2 into length plus width. 2 into 7 plus 25 we are getting 2 into 32, and finally 64 meter. The cost of lashing add rupees 32 per meters. In 64 into 32 we are getting rupees 1728. Option B is the answer, rupees 1728. Question number 37. The given table shows the increases and decreases in temperature of a hill stations in different hours on a certain day. What is the final temperatures at 12 midnight if the temperatures at 8 am was 8 degrees Celsius? The time is the increasing and decreases in temperatures. 8 am to 12 noon plus 2 degrees Celsius, 12 noon to 4 pm plus 4 degrees Celsius, and 4 pm minus 8 pm minus 3 degrees Celsius, and finally 8 pm minus 12 midnight we are getting minus 5 degrees Celsius in the table. Options A, B, C, D is there. We are given that the temperatures at 8 am was 8 degrees Celsius. To find the final temperature at 12 midnight considering the temperature changes throughout the day. The step-by-step calculations we can follow. From 8 am to 12 noon, the temperature increases by 2 degrees Celsius. So we are getting temperature at 12 noon, 8 degrees plus 2 equal to 10 degrees Celsius. The point number 2, from 12 noon to 4 pm, the temperature increases by 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 4 pm equal to 10 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius equal to we are getting 14 degrees Celsius. The question number 37, the point number 3, from 4 pm to 8 pm, the temperatures decreases by 3 degrees Celsius. The temperatures 8 pm equal to 14 degrees Celsius minus 3 degrees Celsius. We are getting finally 11 degrees Celsius. And the point number 4 here, from 8 pm to 12 midnight, temperature decreases by 5 degrees Celsius. The temperature at 12 midnight, 11 degrees Celsius minus 5 degrees Celsius equal to 6 degrees Celsius. The final temperature at 12 midnight is 6 degrees Celsius. That is answer is A, 6 degrees Celsius. That is the final answer. Question number 38. In a particular week, a factory produces the tribulum DCC XXVI, that white t-shirt, and the same code number he mentioned here, black t-shirt and a blue t-shirt. How many total t-shirt produced by the factory in that week? Option A, B, C, D is the. To find the total number of t-shirts produced by the factory, we find the need to convert the Roman numerals in Arabic numerals. First, white t-shirt, we mentioned tribulum 300D, and D is equal to 500 and C equal to 300. Like that we can separate. Here this is a 3000. Okay, tribulum equal to 3000 and D equal to 500 and triple C equal to 300 and XX equal to 20 and finally 7 equal to 7. We know that. The same way we are calculating additions of these 3000, 500, 300, 20 plus 7 equal to 3827. The same way pointed to black t-shirt also. Based on that calculation we are getting 1879, and the blue t-shirt we are getting the same way calculations of additions, we are getting 2345. Now additions them together 3827, white, black and blue, we are getting 8051. Thus the total number of t-shirts produced by the factory 8051. Option B is the right answer. In question number 39, the given table shows the cost of some items in three stores P, Q and R. If the Raman goes to market buy 2 pairs of trousers from store R and 1 jacket from store P and 4 caps from store Q, then find the total amount of money did he spend. Here cost of each item mentioned here: cap, shirt and jacket and the pair of trousers PQR. Let solve the problem by step. Items is Raman bought their stores in 2 pairs of trousers from store R. Cost equal to into 1650 equal to 3300. 1 jacket from store P, it cost is 8450. 4 caps from store Q and 4 into 255 we are getting 1020. The total cost add all the amount 3300, 8450 and 1020, we are getting 12,770. That is the final answer A, rupees 12,770. In question number 40, Mr. Ajwa purchased 2 Max book for rupees 167.50 each, 3 science book for rupees 1375.75 and 4 computer science book for rupees 168.55 each. He gave 5 notes of rupees 500 each of this shopkeeper. How much amount will he get back? The solutions of these equations. Let's do the correct calculations of the equations. Step 1. Calculate the total amount of cost of book. The cost of 2 books of Max equal to each rupees 167.50. It means 2 into 167.50 we are getting 335.0. The cost of 3 science book rupees 1375.75. So it means the same value 1375.75. The cost of 4 computer science book each rupees 168.55. So 4 book, it means 4 into 168.55 we are getting 674.20. The total cost is 335 plus 1375.75 plus 674.20 we are getting 2384.75. In step 2, calculate the total number of paid. Mr. Ajwa gave you 5 notes of rupees 500 each. So 5 into 500 we are getting rupees 2500. Step 3, they calculate the remaining amount to be paid. Since the total cost exceeds the amount of paid, Mr. Ahuja cannot get any changes. Instead, he owns additional money 2500 minus 2384.95. We are getting rupees 115.05. The option D is the final answer. And question number 41. The total cost of flooring a room is rupees 2160. The rate of flooring is rupees 45 per square meter. If the room is 8 meters long, then find its breadth. Option A, B, C, D here is there. We can solve this problem using the formula of the area of rooms. The total cost equal to rate per square meter into rate of the room. The step 1. The calculations of area of the room. The area of the room equal to total cost upon rate per square meter. The area of the room equal 2160 upon 45 equal to 48. The room length is 8 meter given. The step 2. Use the area to find the breadth of the area of the rectangular is given by. The area equal to length into breadth. 48 equal to 8 into breadth. We know the value of breadth equal to 48 upon 8. We are getting 6. The answer D is 6 meter is the final answer. Question number 42. There are 1500 rows sampling in garden. 2 by 5 of them are red row sampling. 1 upon 5 of them are white row sampling and the rest are yellow row sampling. If 2 upon 15 of red row sapling, 3 upon 25 is a white row sapling and 7 upon 20 of yellow row sapling were sold, then find the total number of white and yellow row sapling left in the garden. Option A, B, C, D mentioned here in the questions number 42. There are 1500 rows. The same way, the option A, B, C, D here is there. The solutions of these equations. This problem is 42 solutions to find the number of red, white and yellow rows sapling. And red row sapling is number of red row sapling 2 upon 5 into 1500 equal to 600. The same way, the calculations we are getting white rows 300 and yellow also 600. Finally, to find the sapling sold, red row sapling is 2 upon 15 into 600 equal to 8. The same way, white row sapling also 36. We are getting 3 upon 25 into 300. The yellow row sapling sold. Yellow sapling is 210 based on same calculations. In step 3 final, find the number of sapling left. Red row sapling left, it means 600 minus 8, 520. White also the same, 300 minus 36, 264. 600 minus 210, 390 for yellow row sapling. The step 4, find the total number of white yellow sapling left. The total white and yellow sapling left equal to 264 plus 390 equal to 654. That is the final answer, C. In question number 43, if the price of diesels was rupees 8 in 2017, ₹8 increased to rupees 10 in 2018, decreases by rupees 6 in 2019, increases in rupees 16 in 2020, then what is the price of the diesel in 2020? Option A, B, C, D here is there. The solution of this problem is price of diesel is 2020 and 2017 is 8 rupees, 2018 is 8 plus 2 10 rupees, 2019 is 10 minus 6 equal to 4, then 2020 is equal 4 plus 16 equal to 20. Their final answer is option A equal to 20. Here actual 2018 and 19 we can calculate, we are getting answer of 16s, and for 2020 the same way 4 we can add, we are getting to 16 plus 4 equal to rupees 20. Here already mentioned here in 2000 increases by 16 in 2020. So finally we are calculating the 16 rupees plus 4 rupees, we are getting 20. In question number 44, If the populations of the city recorded in a particular year in 102,003,945, then populations written in the Indian system of numerations is. The answer is the populations of Indian systems numerator given in the populations of 102,003,74945. The Indian systems numeration is group is 10,20,03,945. This is the final answer C. Question number 45. Vishnu writes a smallest 6-digit number and Rishi writes a greatest 7-digit numbers on the blackboard. Their maths teacher find the difference between the smallest 4-digit numbers and the sum of two numbers written on the board. What would be the answers? ABCD here is there. The smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. It means 1 lakh. The Rishi writes the greatest 7-digit numbers. We are getting 999999, and their teachers find the sum of the total numbers written on the board. Here is the we can minus of this. We are getting 100,000 and 999999. We are getting 100,99999. The teachers then find the difference between the small 4-digit number and the sum. The small 4-digit number is 1000. The difference between Rishi is the greatest 7-digit number. The same 7-digit number. The calculations of this, the teacher find the sum of numbers written in the board. Here the positive or the negative value we can calculate. We are getting the same value. The first point, based on that we have calculated. The first smallest 4-digit number we can consider thousands, and the difference we can calculate also. The Rishi writes the greatest 7-digit number. Here is there 999999. Their teachers find the sum of 2-digit numbers written on the board. Here 100,000 and 999999. We are getting 100,99999. The teachers then find the difference between small 4-digit number, that is thousands. We are minusing of this value 100,99999, and we are getting final answer is 100,98999. So the final answer is 100,98999. Question number 46. Here option is B in 45, and question number 46. Here question is there statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1, they read the given statement carefully and select the correct options. Statement 1, 4/9 of the animals of the farms were cows. 1/2 of remaining animals were goats and the rest were chicks. The fractions of the animals at the farms that were chicks is 5/18. The statement 2, Jyoti had a collection of 640 round and rectangular and triangular stickers. 3/8 of the stickers were round, 1/4 of remaining were triangular and the rest were rectangular. She had 200 more rectangular sticks than triangular sticker. Here options A, B, C, D is there. The solutions of this problem let the total number of animals is x, the cows is 4/9, and the remaining animals we are getting the number of cows 4/9 into x. Remaining animals x minus 4/9 into x. Finally we are getting 5/9 into x. Goats 1/2 of remaining animals are goats. The number of goats is 1/2 into 5/9 into x. We are getting final answers 5/8 into 18 into x. The chicks, the rest of the animals are chicks. The number of chicks is equal to remaining animals goat. The remaining animal goat, And 6 5 by 9x minus 5 by 18x. To simplify, take the LCM of 9 and 18. 6 10 by 18x minus 5 upon 18x equal to 5 upon 18x. Thus the fractions of animals that are 6 is 5 upon 18. Statement is 1 is true. And statement 2, Jyoti had a collections of rupees 640 round, rectangular and triangular sticks. 3 upon 8 of these stickers were round, 1 by 4 of remaining were triangular and the rest were rectangulars. She had 200 more rectangular stickers than triangular stickers. The solution of this problem, the total sticker is 640. The round of stickers is 3 upon 8 of the stickers are round. The number of round stickers 3 upon 8 into 640 equal to 240. The remaining stickers equal to 640 minus 240 equal to 400. The point number 4, the triangular stickers 1 by 47, so we are calculating 1 by 4 into 400 equal to 100. The same way rectangular stickers also 400 minus 100 equal to 300. The number of rectangular stickers equal to 300. Verify the conditions. We had 200 more rectangular stickers than triangular stickers. 300 minus 100 equal to 200. This condition is satisfied. Statement 2 is true. The final conclusions of both statements are true. The option A, both statement first and statement 2 are true. Option A is the final answer. The match of the following, select correct options. Here in sum number 47. The sum of additions inverse is minus 222 plus 158 minus 500 and the greatest negative integer P, Q or S, and option A, B, C, D here is there. That is the questions. And let us solve the problem step by step. In match column 1 with column 2. P is the sum of additions of inversion is 0.222 plus 158 minus 500 equal to the greatest negative integer. Simplify first to minus 222 plus 158 equal to minus 564. It means the negative value of this. And finally the additions of is plus 5 plus 564. The greatest negative integer is minus 1 and 564 plus minus 1, we are matching P equal to 3. And Q is predecessors and successors of 198 minus 300 plus 2000 minus 50. And based on that calculation, the successors is 48 plus 1 equal to 49. The predecessors is minus 49 plus 1 equal to 48. Match Q equal to 1. And simplify of the expression A here is there, or the sum of the additions inversions minus 3 plus 5 minus 8. This given in the questions, the greatest the one digit positive integer. Simplify the expressions minus 3 plus 5 minus 8 equal to minus 6. The additions inversion is plus 6. The greatest one digit positive integer is 9. 6 plus 9 equal to 15. Match or equal to 2. Yes, and this value is minus 15 minus 12 minus of minus 3 minus of minus 5 minus of minus 25 plus minus 10. Finally calculations we are getting minus 24 minus 10 equal to minus 34. Match is 4. Final matching is first P greater than 3, Q, and next R, next S. We are getting the answer. The option A is the answer of these questions. Now question number 48. Fill in the blanks. Filling the blanks and select the correct options. First one, the area of the shaded part in the given figure is, and 2 is the given figure is not drawn to scale, is formed with the identical square. The cost of the painting of unshaded regions at the rate of rupees 25 per centimeter square is. The solutions of this problem: first, the area of the shaded part is given in the figure. The outer rectangular area 15 centimeter with 12 centimeter square. The area equal to 15 equal to 12. We are getting 180 centimeters. Inner rectangular area we are getting length 11 centimeter, width it means 12 minus 4, here 15 minus 4, and area equal to 1188 centimeters. Here also centimeter square we want. Finally, we are getting that 180 minus 88, we are getting 92 per centimeter square. So 92 centimeter square. The answer is for first one 92 centimeter square, option B. And the cost of painting is unshaded region is rupees 25 per centimeter square. The side is 16. The total area of the large square is side equal to 16 centimeter, area equal to 16 into 16, 256 per 256 centimeter square. The unshaded region, from the diagram, the shaded part consists of half of the total area. So 1 by 2 equal into 256 equal to, we are getting 128 centimeter square. The cost of painting, the rate equal to rupees 25 per centimeter square. The total cost 128 into 25, we are getting 3200. The answer is 3200. The final answer is 92 centimeter square, and second one rupees 3200. The option B is the right answer. Question number 49. Which of the following option is incorrect? Option A, B, C, D here is there. This is the same way questions. The solution of this problem: first, A is 755712 is divisible by 248, and here also 248 here is there. The last digit is 2, even it is divisible by 2. Here also the 4, the last 2 digit is 12, divisible by 4. 8, this is the last 3 digit by 712 divisible by 8. The B, the 1183 and 1792 are not co-prime fact numbers. Co-prime numbers have no common factors other than the 1. The prime factorizations of 1183 and 1792 revealed on no common factors. This is incorrect because there is co-prime. And C, prime factor is 255 or 135 and 17. The prime factorization is 255. 1 is not a prime number. This is correct. And the D, seventh multiple of greatest factor is 144 is 1008. The greatest factor is 144 is 144 itself. 7 into 144, we are getting 1008. This is also right. The final answer is incorrect is B. The 1183 and 1792 are co-prime numbers, so that statement is incorrect. So final answer is B. Question number 50. That is the final questions. The given table shows the numbers of books printed by the population's house in the given publications house in the given for 5 months. Observe the given table carefully and answer the following. Here is the month and number of books in thousands: January, February, March, April and May. First one, how many more books were printed in March and May together than in January and February together? Question number 2. Find the fractions of numbers of books printed in April to the numbers of books printed in February. Question number 3. If the cost of printing each book is rupees 125, then find the total cost of all books printed in January and March together. Option A, B, C, D here is there. The solution of this problem: books of March and May 23 plus 19 equal to 42,000. The books of January and February we are getting 17 plus 13 equal to 30,000. The difference of 42 minus 30 we are getting 12,000. The answer 1 is 12,000 books. To find the fractions of books printed in April, February, April 16,000 and February 13,000 and fraction 16 upon 13. The answer 2 16 upon 13. And question number 353. The total cost of all books printed in January and March together. Books in January and March 17 plus 23 equal to 40,000. The cost of books rupees 125. 40 into 125 we are getting 5 lakhs. The answer 3 is 5 lakhs. The final answer is option B. First one is 12,000. Second one 16 upon 13. Third one is 5 lakhs. And kindly type in YouTube search at the rate of Ishwarya Vijay Kumar for getting new videos, and further contact us, and we conducted that Olympiad classes for all standards, and kindly subscribe the channel, and details as I have given here. And kindly subscribe this channel for getting next new educational video, and thanking you. And any doubt means put the comment box. And thank you very much.